Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change keybinds in Windrose. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, press escape or just open menu, go to settings and select mouse and keyboard if you're playing on PC just like me. Here you're gonna see all the actions whose keys you can change. Like if you scroll a bit further, you're gonna see section like building, menus and so on. So whichever action, like whichever key you wanna change for the particular action, you need to look for that action first. In my case I want to change the key for jump. Here it is. So let's say I wanna keep the default key as it is and wanna add the alternate one, so I can use the second slot and just need to press the key which I wanna use for jump. I'm gonna use O. After I press the O key gonna be for jump now, and I can also use the space bar for jump as well. But if you wanna remove the space bar, or if you wanna remove the previous key, just hit right click on that, and that way that key will be removed from here. To save the changes, simply select apply, and that way we have successfully changed the key for that specific action. Now if I press spacebar, my player won't gonna jump, but if I press O, he gonna jump. So this is exactly how you'll able to change keybinds in Windrose. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.